Introducing the most powerful Kia production vehicle ever, the all-electric 2023 Kia EV6 GT. The EV6 GT is a high-performance crossover, able to compete with European luxury performance vehicles, while also supporting Kia's Plan S electrification initiative. The vehicle's energy-dense battery pack can distribute 576 horsepower and 545 pound-feet of torque to all four wheels, accelerating EV6 GT from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds, and topping out at a speed of 161 miles per hour. In an AMCI-certified 0 to 60 acceleration race, the EV6 GT out-accelerated a 2021 Ferrari Roma and a 2020 Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spider rear-wheel drive, taking electrified performance and the Kia brand into a new era. The battery electric technology under the skin of the Kia EV6 GT isn't just quick off the line, it's quick charging as well. Like all EV6 models, EV6 GT is based on the award-winning EV-exclusive eGMP modular platform. That means it's equipped with Kia's first 800-volt multi-charging architecture, enabling ultra-fast DC charging, capable of taking the battery from 10 to 80% in under 18 minutes. So owners can spend less time waiting to charge and more time behind the wheel. EV6 GT adds a dedicated sport suspension with electronically controlled dampers, revised spring rates, and retuned steering. Traction and stability are enhanced by an electronic limited slip differential when cornering, which can direct torque to the wheels with the most grip. Speaking of grip, EV6 GT's Z-rated Goodyear Eagle F1 tires offer plenty of it. They're mounted on lightweight 21-inch alloy wheels and equipped with upgraded 15-inch front and 14.2-inch rear ventilated disc brakes. This high-performance braking system is topped off with striking lime green monoblock calipers as a subtle visual hint of the EV6 GT's enhanced stopping power. As in any advanced machine, the software in the EV6 GT is as important as the hardware. That's why the EV6 GT expands on the EV6's selection of drive modes. With the push of a button on the steering wheel, GT Drive Mode places EV6 GT's motors, braking, steering, suspension, electronic limited slip differential, and electronic stability control systems into their most dynamic settings for maximum acceleration. Drivers can also create custom-tailored settings to suit individual driving preferences using My Drive Mode. And the selectable Drift Mode allows drivers to distribute power to the rear wheels for more dramatic maneuvers. The EV6 GT is all about high performance, but not at the expense of looking gimmicky. On the exterior, subtle front and rear styling updates hint at the vehicle's sporty attitude. And carrying on the theme of the neon-accented brake calipers, the driver-focused cabin features neon green dash accents and trim details, including the GT moniker inscribed on the suede-trimmed seats. The deeply bolstered sport bucket seats are the first of their kind on a Kia vehicle, providing exceptional stability for the driver during cornering. A striped motif on the upper dashboard and front center armrest complete the exclusive GT look. Underneath the performance enhancements and exclusive GT details, the EV6 GT features all of the practical benefits and technologies of its EV6 stablemates. That includes the 12.3-inch dual panoramic displays with navigation and Kia Connect, an augmented reality head-up display, a Meridian premium audio system, and an innovative vehicle-to-load functionality, which can make the EV6 GT a power source on wheels. The EV6 GT also includes 20 standard active advanced driver assistance systems for more confident everyday driving. Now becoming available at Kia retailers nationwide, the all-new Kia EV6 GT comes with a charging credit of 1,000 kilowatt-hours at Electrify America stations, usable over a 3-year period from the date of purchase. The EV6 GT, single-handedly changing the way people think about Kia and Electrify.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit, I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant, I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, I'm losing shit. A stupid myth, you choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong, I just need to carry on. Cause society's a myth, put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give, don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit. To my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. Let's go. Hey. Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing